Stroll across the floor of the Gulf of Mexico. As I strolled on the floor of the Gulf of Mexico, I seen some of the most amazing things. Question: have you ever seen a lake within the ocean? Well, from my research, an underwater lake is made up of ocean water that was returned after the region ripped it apart. The water is basically a supersaline layer of water on the floor of the ocean. Cool, huh? Yeah, I think so too. Did you know that there are volcanoes on the ocean floor? Well, these are not your usual volcanoes that spew lava. These unique volcanoes spew asphalt. The coolest thing you can ever see is the methane bubbles forming on the ocean floor. The continental shelves are covered by terragenous sediments. Terragenous sediment, deep sea sediment transported to the ocean by rivers and wind from land sources. The Gulf of Mexico has an area of approximately 580,000 square feet miles, contains an approximate 584 cubic miles of water, and an average depth of 5,299 feet. The temperature of the Gulf of Mexico is hovering at about 83 to 86 degrees on average and is much hotter than the Atlantic. The Gulf of Mexico contains diurnal, mixed, and semi-diurnal tides. During my stroll of the Gulf of Mexico, I am never alone. There are other life forms there to see. There is the blue crab, there is the lionfish, and this big guy, the whale shark. Well, that's the end, folks. Hope you enjoyed your stroll with me. This is Zeke, signing off.